And on the subject of students, I'd like to talk to Professor Bjerke. Last October, UND experienced a loss of one of its students, and it seems to have jump-started this conversation on mental health across the industry. If I may, how have things changed at UND since then, and what changes are you expecting to see in the near future?
Well, thank you. And like John mentioned, coming out of the COVID-19 pandemic, I've been in education for over 20 years and I've never seen anything like we've had the last couple of years, especially with this subset, these 18 to 22-year-olds. It's been well researched now, well documented that they are suffering. They're suffering from depression, anxiety, and really that sense of belonging you typically get when you join a new college campus, a new college experience. So yes, we started to see a trend that was very disturbing amongst our students and our student pilots. And of course, in October, we did have the tragic accident that really took our conversation from being more internal within our university, talking to our counseling center staff, our student health staff, our faculty, students. We kind of brought it to a national scale and realized it wasn't just unique to our program. Everyone, these last 2 years have been a struggle, but especially as you're kind of balancing that with a new transition into a demanding career field like aviation. One thing that we are fortunate, and thanks to John and his colleagues at ELPA, is the airlines have been doing some great things for many years that we are now finding out about. In fact, we are very happy to say that we are going to be instituting our own collegiate peer support program within our aviation program this fall. In fact, right now we're recruiting those volunteers, and we were fortunate to sit in on some peer support training at United Airlines. It's helping us guide our path and how we set it up to make it successful within our university, and hopefully that serves as a model for other universities to follow.